watching Full Throttle Kind of Guys channel the other day, and he was doing some wiring to his Galaxy, and he made mention that he wasn't aware of any aftermarket plugs that worked with the Ford style bullet plugs. Well, here they are. NAPA happens to carry the red and blue, the red being 22 to 18 and the blue 16 to 14 gauge, male and female end, so either one you have to repair or you want to add to or use existing or whatnot. They carry them. You may have to order them in. They may not be in stock in every location, but these plug in to the factory female, or you can take the factory female and use them on the male. They work great. They're a .176 bullet, which is why your common ones you see in the parts store, which I think is a 157, and then the larger one's like a 2 something, I think, or maybe it was a 196. Either way, the ones you find at the parts store typically are either too big or too small. These here are the perfect size for the Ford ones. Now they're not cheap, but I'll tell you, if you want to, you're trying to make a repair and you're trying to save wiring or plug in or use a component without hacking it up, I use them all the time. I mean, yeah, it's a cost, but you know, I'm kind of one of those guys that likes to have things as original and you know, untouched as possible, and they come in handy. I'll put the numbers and corresponding colors and sizes in the comments for you. But yeah, I just wanted to share these. I don't know if there's many people that really know about them or not. There's quite a bit of stuff out there that people don't know them. I'm sharing it. Anyways, there you go. NAPA BELDEN, whatever you want to call them. I'm not sure exactly what they're called. Because I know there was a comment made, I think it was Full Throttle Kind of Guys YouTube channel having a day, I'm telling you. So anyways, I'll post a little video, whatever.